Dear viewers, today we will discuss the concept of intelligence. First of all, we will read about what is intelligence in psychology. In education psychology, intelligence is defined as the ability to learn, reason, problem solve, and adapt to new situations. It is not limited to academic intelligence but also includes social intelligence, emotional intelligence, and practical intelligence. Here are some examples of intelligence in educational psychology. First one is linguistic intelligence. This is the ability to understand and use language effectively. Individuals with high linguistic intelligence can express themselves well in speaking and writing. For example, a poet or a writer who has a way with words is said to have high linguistic intelligence. Second one is logical mathematical intelligence. This is the ability to reason, solve problems, and think logically. Individuals with high logical mathematical intelligence can understand complex ideas and theories. For example, a mathematician or a scientist who can solve complex equations is said to have high logical mathematical intelligence. Next one is spatial intelligence. This is the ability to perceive and understand the spatial relationships between objects. Individuals with high spatial intelligence can visualize objects in 3D space and mentally manipulate them. For example, an architect or a painter who can visualize spaces and shapes is said to have high spatial intelligence. Next one is musical intelligence. This is the ability to understand and create music. Individuals with high musical intelligence can recognize and remember melodies and harmonies. For example, composer or a musician who can create beautiful pieces of music is said to have high musical intelligence. Next one is bodily kinesthetic intelligence. This is the ability to use the body skillfully and to manipulate objects. Individuals with high bodily kinesthetic intelligence can coordinate their movements and control their body. For example, an athlete or a dancer who has excellent coordination is said to have high bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Next one is interpersonal intelligence. This is the ability to understand and interact effectively with other people. Individuals with high interpersonal intelligence can communicate well and understand other people's emotions and motives. For example, a therapist or a salesperson who can understand and connect with people is said to have high interpersonal intelligence. Next one is intrapersonal intelligence. This is the ability to understand one's own thoughts and emotions. Individuals with a high intrapersonal intelligence can reflect on their own experiences and understand their own strengths and weaknesses. For example, a philosopher or a psychologist who can understand their own thoughts and feelings is said to have high intrapersonal intelligence. There are just a few examples of intelligence in educational psychology. It's important to note that each individual has their unique combination of intelligence, and no one type of intelligence is better than another.